Third problem on spur gears, example 6.4. Two wheels have 24 and 30 teeth. Standard module, standard addendum equals to one module. Question 20 degrees. Find the length of path of contact and length of bar of contact in terms of circular pitch. So now you have to find in terms of circular pitch. So bigger number is capital T, that is 30. Smaller is small t, that is 24. Addendum is one module, 1 into m, and pressure angle pi is 20 degrees. Your module is not given. So we need to find in terms of circular pitch. So circular pitch is pi into m, and model m equals to pc upon pi. So that means 1 by pi is 0.318 pc. Addendum is 1 into module, so addendum equals to 1 into 0.318 pc module, that is 0.318 pc. Then pitch circle radius of gear capital R is mt by 2, so m is 0.31 pc into 30 by 2, that is 4.704 pc. Pitch circle radius of pinion small r is mt small t by 2, that is 0.31 pc into 24 by 2, 3.186 pc. Addendum of gear R is r plus addendum, so adding both we get 5.09 pc. Addendum circle radius of pinion R is small r plus addendum, so it is 3.9 plus you get 4.134 pc. So now using the formula for length of path of contact, substituting the values, we get, substitute 1 by 1, simplifying 1 by 1, we get 1.52 pc as LPC. Now LAC is LPC by cos pi, 1.32 pc cos pi, that is 1.62 pc. This is how we find in terms of pc.